the peacock who wanted to fly. One sunny morning in Rainbow Jungle, a proud peacock named Percy was admiring himself in the pond.
Look at my feathers! Shiny, sparkly, and perfect. I'm the most beautiful bird in the world.
Just then, a cheerful parrot named Polly flew down from a mango tree.
Hi, Percy. Wanna come fly with me over the mango farm?
Fly? Ugh, I can't fly like you. My feathers are for fashion, not flying.
Haha. What's the point of all that shine if you can't even fly to get mangoes?
Suddenly, a tiny voice giggled nearby. It was Bella the butterfly, fluttering from flower to flower.
You two are so funny. Percy, you're a supermodel. Polly, you're a flying chatterbox. And I'm just small and soft.